What's up, Pandas? Peter von Panda here. Hey, quick unboxing. This is the mosDART USB flash drive pack, 8 gigs, USB 2.0 only. And here's what we have: 5-packer of the typical USB drives. They kind of have the swing out cover, not the best protection ever, but little metal loop here, and then a rubberized body. And you know, these are great for loading some movies, some files, whatever, handing them off, not having to worry about, you know, getting the USB drive back. Again, I wish they were a little cheaper. Even you can see the mosDART logo kind of etched on the USB drive sleeve there. Now, like I said, they're not that expensive, under 20 bucks. You can get 5 of them. You can have them kind of like disposable USB drives. And I thought the 8 gig was a pretty good size. You can pretty much fit anything you need on there, even several movies or songs or video files. So the whole 9 yards. I'll put a link to this in the description if you want to pick them up. Peter von Panda out.